How's it going? What's up? And what's happening, my blessed, beautiful crypto bliss community? Kiara here today, and I'm so excited to be here with you guys. Blessings to you all. Bam! Hope you all had a really cool, strong end, full of relaxation and crazy epic times. Guys, it's so funny. Yesterday, I went out for a beautiful hike with my family at a very gorgeous sacred site in the south of Johannesburg, and it was absolutely gorgeous. Very, very beautiful scenes, mountains, gorgeous. We got to walk with wild animals. It wasn't many animals, but there were zebras, baboons, and some wild buck, which was pretty cool. What a gorgeous experience. But it was so funny because the maps at these hiking trails are sometimes not very clear, and this one, unfortunately, we hoped to do a 10-kilometer walk, but we ended up doing a 20-kilometer walk, so double the distance we intended. But my little 8-year-old girl, she held in there like a boss, and it was amazing to see. We literally got to sit on top of the mountains, just absorb that beautiful sunshine and gorgeous fresh air. It was incredible, and I definitely recommend getting outdoors as much as possible to all of you, especially if you're stuck in front of the screen all day, which I know a lot of us are. I spend at least 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 hours sometimes in front of my screen every day, which can be quite sore to the eyeballs and to the brain, of course, the dopamine levels. So yeah, okay, this isn't a health thing. I just wanted to share with you guys because I know I had a really cool strong end, and I hope you did too. So let's get straight into the week and Monday market update, and let's talk about what's about to happen in the market, and let's see what we're actually looking for in the next few minutes, which is obviously going to show us what's going to happen in the next few days. So let's not waste any more time. Thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate you all. Blessings, and thank you for being here, part of the channel. Hit that notification bell because you are going to get flooded with videos this week. So I hope you have a lot of time to watch. I will try and keep my videos under 10, 12 minutes, especially the crypto millionaire videos. Guys, we are almost confirming a bull run in the space. So I hope that you guys are getting ready, prepared, and excited, and that you've stashed away some of your favorite bags of crypto in your beautiful Ledger wallet. Okay, so with that being said, guys, thank you for being here with me today. I appreciate that greatly. Let's not waste any more time together. Let's get straight into it. And you guys know that there's a $30,000 deposit bybit link below. Please make sure to click that. No trading advice in this video. I'm only sharing with you the things that I'm doing, and of course, if I'm not doing them, I will tell you I'm not doing them, but they have good project validity in the space. So with that being said, let's get straight to it, guys. Today, the cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at 1.2 trillion. We are at 41 billion in trading volume, and BTC is 44.81%. Now, in my video yesterday, I spoke about BTC dominance in these three videos, especially. I've been speaking about BTC dominance and previously before, but I did say that BTC dominance looks extraordinarily bullish, okay, which gives us an indication to a number of other ideas and energies in the channel. So without wasting any more time, Bitcoin is currently sitting at 27,881, Ethereum at 1757, BNB at 327, XRP at nearly 46 cents, 45 cents, Cardano at 35 cents, Dogecoin at 7 cents, Polygon at $1.08, Solana at $20.53, Polkadot at 5.98, Litecoin at 91.83, and Avalanche 1681, Uniswap 576, and Chainlink 715, guys. Wow, we are looking more and more super healthy here in the space in the market. So I hope you guys are enjoying. I'd actually like to know from my community down in the comments below, are you an investor, are you a day trader, or are you a swing trader? There's majority of the time there's these three options. Which one are you? Let me know down in the comments below, please. I'd appreciate that greatly. Okay, so quickly, The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 64. You can see this the same as yesterday, and we're pretty much sitting even Stevens. There hasn't been much movement there. The crypto bubbles have literally all been in the blood, in the red. So guys, remember, when it's in the red, it's time to put some money in, time to buy and accumulate a little bit more. So I hope you guys are doing that. I hope you guys are having a lot of fun with this. And I just want you guys to know that there's a lot of room for growth in these projects. So yeah, keep a close eye out on those. Any news in the market today? Well, Hong Kong crypto firm seeing interest from Chinese banks. XRP, Litecoin, XMR, and aehUX show bullish signs as Bitcoin battles the 28K level. Very interesting. And Bitcoin is 1 week away from confirming the new bull market analysis. And guys, why is that? Well, that is because we need to know how the market works. And essentially, we'd like to confirm 1 week above the bullish trend. If we confirm 2 weeks above the bullish trend, the likelihood gets stronger. Then 3 weeks, the more weeks that close above the averages I'm about to show you on the charts, the better the chance of a bullish momentum to happen. Okay. Now let's go and have a look at the market update for the week ahead, because today we only have Fed government Jefferson speaking, Fed Gov Jefferson speaking. Tomorrow we have advanced US trades balance and goods, retail inventories, and the S&P Case-Shiller home price index, and the US consumer conference. So though the market will see a bit of movement there tomorrow, there's no doubt about it. But today we might just be a little bit just chilled in the space. And then we have pending US home sales as well, which is down 3%, and their previous was 8%. Then we have the Fed on Wednesday. Fed Gov Bar testifies to House on banks. That's probably a little bit epic. Then this is the piece of the pie that is going to make us either sell or buy crypto. So this Thursday and Friday are the 2 trading days that you need to watch out for. If you want to trade volatility, link down below again, please guys. You guys will have a lot of fun if you just know what to look out for. And if you'd like me to do a trading video for you guys, which I will be doing for this week, let me know down in the comments. Shout it out, I want to know. So GDP will be the second revision. The forecast is 2.7%, which is the same as the previous. That's very interesting in terms of GDP. Initial jobless claims, we'll see about that. Continuing jobless claims, and then we have another Fed speaking. And then Friday we have the PCE, and then the core PCE, and then PCE year on year, which guys, and then more Fed. So there's a lot of Fed speaking this week. There's a lot of news in terms of that, but it isn't the bees knees and all of that. So guys, I know that on Friday is, let's just double check here. Oh, so next week Friday will be the non-farm payrolls. The non-farm payrolls will tell us exactly what's going on, and then we will see what the Fed decides that they're going to do, because the non-farm payrolls is the one thing in the market. The non-farm payrolls and interest rate hikes, and when the Fed speaks, those are the 3 things in the market that make the market the most volatile. So hope you're enjoying this. And yeah, I hope you have a lot of fun there. Let's go and have a look at the Bitcoin chart for now. Okay, so Bitcoin right here, right now. Okay, this is the daily time frame. I'd actually like to go and show you a bit of a different Bitcoin chart, quick. So let's just go and see here, BTC USD. Let's go the Binance chart. Okay, and let us just come here and put, I will delete this form, and then I would like to add the EMA ribbon. Wow! Okay, we'll come back to this chart. I'm going to keep you in suspense for that one. Can't wait to show you that one. Okay, guys, 2 things. We're under my 1 indicator here, which means that there could be a bit of sell pressure. And I'd like to show you something very quickly. So we had a bit of a sell pressure indicator here. Now what happens is you can see this is the Heiken Akashi candles, and you can see that when there's a strong signal, there's a strong signal. When there's red sell signal, there's a sell signal. So there's no mixed signals in between all of this. Now, because we broke out of this, we're trying to find support on this upward channel here. Essentially, if we can't find that support and we do break below that, then I'm going to tell you guys that we do intend to come further below. Now let's go and have a quick squiz at this, because this move right here, boom, to the bottom was a 22% move. So if we were to expect a 22% move from the top coming down, a 22% move would take us to this kind of area, which would be support at that area, which is what we've been saying, that we would potentially come down to this area, which is about 24,000 at this level. So the green line is the support line. If we break that support line, we're coming back down to the blue line. If we break the blue line, we're coming back down to my green line. If we break the green line, oh boy, we're probably coming back down, all the way back down to 16,000. Do I believe that's going to happen? No. And I will tell you why at the very end of this. So stay tuned for the video. It won't be much longer. Ethereum is doing the exact same thing. Look at Ethereum is building up its momentum. Now, one thing I'd like to share with you guys is that on the higher time frames on Bitcoin, and I showed you guys this in my video yesterday. So if you haven't yet watched it, go and watch that video, because these are the charts that I'm referring to. But the moment we get buy signals, okay, we literally have buy non-stop. Now, yes, the same as when we get sell signals, we have a long sell period, okay? Now, generally, when we have a buy period, we should essentially have a very, very long buy period. Now, what does that look like? It doesn't mean we're not going to have any pullbacks, because we are at a bit of a resistance level right now, but that doesn't mean we're not going to have any pullbacks in the upward trajectory. So we're looking very healthy. We need to essentially get above this 32K level. Okay. Honestly, if we can't get above there and find some support, then I'm telling you, we're going to have a little bit of a reversal. It will probably come back down to the 23, 24K level. Bitcoin dominance is extremely bullish. What does this look like for us, guys? Well, this is showing us right now that on the daily time frame, we are looking very bullish. We want to break out. I did say to you guys again on my video yesterday that we're probably looking for about 54 to about 58 on the chart. So if that is the case, well, let's be patient and see. What's happening with the dollar? If the dollar bounces off this level once again, because you can see we got an upward trend line here. If it bounces off this level again, it doesn't break the low, it doesn't break my blue line, it means that we'll probably see the dollar bounce up somewhere, maybe here, maybe here. If it breaks out of this, that would be very interesting, because there could be a potential of it to come all the way back up to here, but there is a first stop before there, so at 107. But I think that at the absolute most, it'll probably get up to around these levels here, okay, and then make its way back down. Is that the case in terms of these other charts? The NASDAQ is showing very strong bullish, but we had a sell signal from the candle perspective, yes, on Thursday, which means that we could actually have a pullback, a little bit of a pullback here, but we have had both my indicators in green and cross, and we're above, which means that we're doing very well. This is a W pattern. It's looking to break out of this initial neckline, because this was a bit of a fake out or some jump out. Then the same thing here with the crypto total market cap, guys. I reckon there is going to be a few trillions worth of dollars coming into the crypto space. I don't believe it will go all over into most coins. I believe that Bitcoin could probably double in terms of its market cap size. And currently Bitcoin is sitting at a $538 billion market cap. And what that would look like is if Bitcoin had to essentially reach these dominance levels that I'm referring to, that means most of the money in the crypto market cap, if there was another, whatever, 2-3 trillion that was in the market cap now, then we would probably see, you see, we're saying this will essentially be about another 400 billion that comes into the space before there's any kind of pullback, and then a retest of support at this zone before we make our way back to all-time highs at the $3 trillion market cap. Now, guys, if we reach the $3 trillion market cap, there's no doubt about it that Bitcoin will be at very, very, very least $1 trillion worth in market cap. Now, that is very powerful, because that would literally make up 50% of the market cap. It's 33% of the market cap at that point. So you can see that Bitcoin wants to rally, take out all the money now. When there's a bit of a resistance hit and a sell-off on the Bitcoin dominance, that money will come back into altcoins and it'll make altcoins pump. Okay, so guys, there's a lot of indicators to tell us that we are actually very, very, very bullish right now. And I want to show you, every time we've been above the white line and my green indicator, we have had bullish momentum. Every time we've had, and now look at this, this is a heavy bottom. This is showing a very, very strong bottom here in this period of consolidation right here. So we're looking extraordinarily bullish for a momentum up. We break this neckline, our next level of testing is up here, which takes us from a 1.2 to a 1.6, so $400 billion to come into the space in the next short little while. If you guys enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. And let's have one last look at this video because I forgot about this for now. But this is the EMA ribbons. You can see there that we bottomed out here. We had a twist on the ribbons back up. We are opening up in this section here. We might find a bit of a pullback, maybe to about the 26,000 level, and find support on both of my indicators here before we make a strong trend upwards. Now, what I was wanting to show you on the weekly time frame is that so 2 weeks ago, we had a candle wick up and close below the top of the EMA ribbon. Then we've had now last week's candle close heavily in volume above with very, very strong buy volume in both of those. And we now have our other candle, our next candle, which is looking as though it is extremely bullish. And if we close this week's candle in the green above the EMA, so this candle essentially has to stay above $25,350 at this point. If it can do that, okay, I'm telling you guys, we will see bullish, deep bullish action, and Bitcoin will probably want to pump up to at least 45K. Okay, I did share that with you on one of my other charts. I think it was this. No, it wasn't this one. But it will end up wanting to come to that level at the very, very least. So let's go and have a look here. That level there is probably the level you want to, at the very, very least, look at. Okay, so if that happens, that would still mean that we're still in a downward trend. Okay, we haven't yet confirmed bullish momentum. I'm going to say why. Because on the highest time frames, the weekly time frames, we're still lower lows. Okay, so we have to be very, very careful. Okay, but there is still a lot of money about to be made in this little gap right here. So I hope you guys are prepared. I hope you got good coins in your bag. And remember to take some profits when the signals get to these levels. I will, of course, talk to you about it at those points. But for now, thanks for watching. Please smash that thumbs up. I really do appreciate you guys. Much love, beautiful blessings, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care and have a beautiful day.